Are you looking for a modern, intuitive solution to streamline your practice electronic health records, which is called EHR and revenue cycle management? Welcome to ModMed, the ultimate platform designed specifically for healthcare providers. Whether you're managing patient charts, scheduling appointments, or billing, ModMed simplifies every step of the process. Now, in this step-by-step tutorial, I will walk you through how to use ModMed, EHR, EMR system to improve efficiency, enhance patient care, and reduce administrative burdens. So by the end of this video, you will have a complete introduction about ModMed, create patient records, documents, encounters, manage schedules, and there's a lot of stuff which you will get to know in this video. So before we get started, here you can see this is what, let's break down what ModMed stand out according to them. ModMed is a cloud-based, as you can see here, it's a cloud-based EHR and practice, right? Specialty practice such as dermatology, ophthalmology, orthopedics, and more. Here's what offers. The first one is EHR, electronic health records, PM, practice management. Let me show you. There's a revenue cycle management, there's a patient engagement tools, right? It's cloud-based and accessible from any device. Specialty-specific templates for faster documentation, seamless integration with labs, imagining centers, and clearing houses. So to get started with ModMed, you have to come to modmed.com, which we are right now, and you have to request a demo. So on the top right side corner, you can see there's a feature of demo. So you have to just paste your work email and click on continue. Now, once you enter the email, you will get some more information which you need to fill. That is your first name, last name, mobile phone number, state, organization. And once you fill up all this information, click on submit. This is how it's look once you submit your, demo request page here. And after that, one of the team member from ModMed will get in contact with you. They will show you each and every feature, and obviously they will try to convince you to buy it. And once you're convinced to buy it, they will give you a user ID which you can create by yourself, and then you will able to get into the dashboard of ModMed. Now the setup process is very straightforward even for beginners, ensures your practice is ready to go live very quickly, right? They will give you the dashboard, they will give you templates. You can choose specialty specific templates for documenting patient encounters. You can navigate to the team section and invite doctors, nurses, and administrative staff by email. So the process is literally so straightforward. Now that your account is set up, let's dive into creating patient records. So it's really easy to create it. First of all, you have to go to the patient, right? Once you go to the patient section and click on add new patient, input details of the patient, for example, name, date of birth, contact information, insurance provider, etc., etc. Add allergies and everything there, right? For example, medications, past surgeries, and other relevant medical information. Review the record and click Save to finalize the patient profile. These tools ensure accurate patient information is always at your fingertips. So whenever a patient will visit your practice, in future you can easily come to know just by looking at the record. Now, documenting patient encounters is a critical part of daily operations. Now, here's how ModMed try to help you. So you can just navigate to the patient records and click on Start Encounters, and you can choose specialty specific template. Same here, document vital symptoms, diagnose, treatments, and follow-up plans. You can electronically sign the notes and save them to the patient chart. These tools ensure comprehensive and compliant documentation for every visit. Efficient scheduling is very essential for smooth practice operation. You can visit to the calendar. So there's a specific calendar sections in ModMed to create upcoming appointments and schedule them. Click on open time slot, select the patient and add details like reason for visit. Enable automated reminders by text for email to reduce no-show. Adjust providers, schedules, and block off time for breaks and meetings. So this tools helps you optimize the schedule and improve patient satisfaction. Managing billing ensures timely reimbursement is crucial for financial health. And here's how also ModMed help you. You can just go to the billing section and view claim medications or claims, payments, and outstanding balance. There you will able to view and generate submit claims directly to insurance provider, to clearinghouse, monitor reimbursement and patient payments in real time, export financial reports for audits, budgeting, or practice performance analysis. These tools streamline billing process and maximize revenue collection. And there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide, a complete information-based videos on ModMed. If you found this info video very useful, please like the video and subscribe our channel for more. Thanks for watching this video.